Hey guys, what's going on? It's Matthew here at Barn Fresh Classics. You can check us out online at barnfreshclassics.com, see all the inventory we have to offer. You can also see a bunch of photos of the 73 Trans Am. You can also check us out at Facebook at Barn Fresh Classics LLC. Facebook is the best way to see updated inventory, as we do list everything there first. As soon as we buy something, we put it on the trailer. We do list it there first. It's a good way to get first dibs on our cars, as they typically do sell in about 3 business days. Today, I've got a beautiful rotisserie restored 73 Trans Am. Real Trans Am, PHS documents, 455 shaker hood, factory 4-speed car. Done up in Brewster green. Just absolutely beautiful. Rotisserie was done about 5 years ago, but the car is still showing beautifully. Absolutely gorgeous car. Look at that emblem. Got the shaker hood. Only about 4,800-ish were produced, these Trans Ams in 73, and only about 1,420 were factory 4-speed cars, which this is one of them. So very, very, very rare car. It's wearing all its original sheet metal. When it was rotisserie restored, which I do have photos of the restoration, it was stripped right down to bare metal. The car needed no patching. Just absolutely beautiful when it was sandblasted right down to bare metal. Just a gorgeous, gorgeous car. The paint and body on it is absolutely beautiful. The only blemish on the paint is right here. Little stone chip. Other than that, absolutely gorgeous. Super flat. No orange peel, no rust issues, obviously, no blisters, nothing like that. The underneath, check out the photos, you can eat off the underneath. Just absolutely beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. All the chrome and stainless in excellent shape. Everything is new underneath the car. Everything in the front end, fuel lines, brakes, everything is brand new. Wheels and tires are brand new. You can see the building back there. Just beautiful shine to the paint. Body is just so straight. It's got power steering, power disc brakes. Just a beautiful color. Brewster green, one of my favorite colors. What a gorgeous, gorgeous car, guys. Gorgeous. It was purchased brand new right down the road here in Exeter, New Hampshire. And it was used as a summer car only. I mean, it was such a nice survivor before it was rotisserie restored. Again, no rust issues, nothing had to be patched. Original floors, rockers, fenders. Everything is original to the car. Again, just an absolutely beautiful example. Thank you. Interior is in beautiful shape. It mostly is original. Get inside here and show it to you. It's a beautiful interior. Again, most of it is original, and still in excellent, excellent, excellent shape. Excellent, excellent shape. Let me show you the dash. No rips in the upholstery. Sorry it's so dark in here, guys. No rips in the upholstery, no cracks in the dash. Headline is nice and tight. Got the big old 4-speed there. Nice and tight. Seat upholstery, excellent shape. I'll show you the back here. Carpet's real nice. Original seat belts. Sorry it's so dark. Hopefully you guys can make it out. Real nice headliner. Everything's real nice inside of it. Motor was all redone. We have the build sheet on the motor. I'll fire it up for you. This thing is a beast. Oh my God. What a beast. rear end, all rebuilt. I mean, the car's ready to go. Not much really to say about it. It's just absolutely gorgeous. '73 Trans Am production numbers were so limited. This is a collector car. It is a collector item, and it would be a nice addition to anyone's collection. Now, if you need any more information, you need any more photos, specific video, anything like that, give me a call. 207-400-5326. My name is Matthew. I always pick up. I'm here to help you make an informed purchase. Most of our cars are sold sight unseen. We ship them out, which means we're very, very honest with what we're selling. We have 100% feedback across the board. Doesn't matter where you check us out. We also have the hookup on shipping. So if you need assistance with that, I can get you a quote right to your door. Reliably, quickly, and for a reasonable price. Get the car shipped right to your door. I'm telling you guys, this car is gorgeous. Absolutely gorgeous. Look down the side. I mean, it's like a mirror. Check the photos out. We have 4 or 5 photos of it up on the left, wherever this video is accompanying, and you could eat off the floor. Beautiful. Now, just a heads up, we might put a spacer to help lift that up a little bit. It rubs in extreme situations, so we're probably going to get that up about 1/4 of an inch. So it might look a little bit different from the video, but we do have the spacers. We're going to put those in. It doesn't rub bad, it's just if you go over a bump and you turn in at the right instant, it does rub a little bit, so we're definitely going to take care of that. So, but I'm telling you guys, geez, if you're looking for a '73 Trans Am, or a Trans Am for that matter, it is just beautiful. The period correct block in it, not the original motor, 455, shaker hood, factory 4-speed car. One of 1,400 produced. And how many of those are still surviving? Just absolutely gorgeous, guys. Again, it's wearing all its original sheet metal. I do have a lot of pictures of the restoration so you guys can see it when it was stripped right down to bare metal. And it was on the rotisserie. Wow, what a gorgeous car, my God. You guys will not be disappointed in this one, I'll tell you that. Again, if you got